Respected Honorable Prime Minister and all dignitaries and participants, I'm happy to join the inaugural session of the first Global Innovation Summit 2021, organized by Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance, focusing on innovation in pharmaceutical sector. Today is also an occasion when we may celebrate the strength of India in terms of our youth, innovation, and Make in India. I would like to remember few words of Honorable Prime Minister. He has rightly mentioned in a Young Entrepreneurship Summit in 2017 that where convention fails, innovation starts. Under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is focusing to complete cycle of pharmaceuticals, starting with innovation, R&D to finished products. Honorable Prime Minister has given the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. In recent times, India has announced different PLI schemes for pharmaceuticals and medical equipment, which will not only help to reduce import burden but also help us to become secure in critical drugs. I would like to thank and appreciate the contribution of our Indian pharma industries. During these challenging times of COVID-19 pandemic, Indian pharma industries thrived in this challenging time and proved itself as pharmacy for the whole world. In the initial period of pandemic, India provided critical drugs to over 150 countries in the time of need and still continuing the supply of all essential drugs. Our research policy on health is also in advanced stage, which will provide right platform for innovation to our scholars. I would like to mention here that India has administered around 1.15 billion COVID vaccine doses, which is highest in the world. These vaccines are manufactured in India as well as it is also researched and developed in India. This is the first time when India started vaccination for any disease with other developed countries. This reflects our brain power, skill of scientists, manufacturing capacity, and most importantly, the able leadership which provided all necessary funds, supports, and guidance to make this happen. Honorable Prime Minister guides us on all policy issues of pharmaceuticals and health sector to frame it with consideration of not only India but also for the world. India has all necessary infrastructures and ecosystem to become healer of the world. This pandemic has given the world so many lessons, and the importance of drug security is one of them. When any countries invest in India, their drug security is as good as when they create a manufacturing facility in their country. I urge upon the world to join the journey of discover in India, make in India, and invest in India. I am very much confident that India will achieve the very ambitious target of 130 US billion dollar pharma industries by 2030. Honorable Prime Minister has also given carry on call of vaccine for all to the world and committed contribution of 5 billion doses by 2022. Our pharma industries is aggressively working towards achieving the target ahead of time. I extend my best wishes to Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance and all participants for the grand success of Global Innovation Summit. Thank you. Namaste.